Welcome to our channel. If you want to invest in blue chip stocks, follow these step-by-step instructions to build a portfolio of established, reliable companies with proven track records. Step 1. Understand what defines a blue chip stock. These are shares of large, well-established companies with decades of stable performance, strong balance sheets, and often regular dividend payments. Step 2. Open a brokerage account with a reputable firm that offers commission-free stock trading and research tools. Many modern platforms provide access to financial statements, analyst ratings, and news for individual stocks. Step 3. Research potential blue-chip investments by examining factors like consistent revenue growth, strong competitive advantages, capable management teams, and solid dividend history. Step 4. Diversify across different sectors to reduce risk. Include blue-chip companies from technology, healthcare, consumer goods, finance, and other industries to protect against sector-specific downturns. Step 5. Start with well-known names that dominate their industries and have stood the test of time. Look for companies with strong brand recognition, loyal customer bases, and the ability to adapt to changing markets. Step 6. Invest regularly using dollar-cost averaging rather than trying to time your entry perfectly. Blue-chip stocks can still experience volatility, so spreading purchases over time reduces timing risk. Step 7. Hold for the long term and reinvest dividends to maximize compound growth. Blue-chip stocks are meant to be core, long-term holdings that provide stability and consistent returns. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.